Never mind. Welcome back to another video.
Belinda, I'm gonna give your job to someone else. You're wasting mine in my storage, Belinda.
You said that.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. It's a vlog. Today we're up, it's Saturday. It's Saturday and I'm going to a music video. I'm gonna be in a music video because, you know, for those of you who don't know, I'm a rapper. I also rap, so yeah, so I'm gonna be rapping in a music video. I'm kidding. I am gonna be in the music video, but I'm not gonna be rapping. I don't rap. I don't rap, let's get that straight. So I'm just gonna take you guys on my day with me. I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I need to do some few errands first in the morning for the music video, and then also I need to pack my stuff and get there. First, however, I'm gonna go and get a coffee from 7-Eleven because I really need a coffee to be able to last throughout this day. I prefer to just get coffee from 7-Eleven because I'm not a big coffee fanatic. Like, I just care for the caffeine. I don't really care about coffee itself, the taste or anything. I just need the caffeine hit and I'll be good to go. Guys, wow, my thing won't connect. Hello.
You feel like you know what you're doing? Alright, that was deep. Never mind. Welcome back to another video.
Belinda, I'm gonna give your job to someone else. You're wasting mine in my storage, Belinda.
You said that.
Today, we'll have a few individuals coming and presenting their business ideas to the judges. Ultimately, the judges will choose one person to become the winner.
I've never heard you speak so loudly, Tatenda. So you have a voice? Oh, wow.
For the first time in forever.
You're like, sure. Yeah.
And then I was in Brandon. Yeah. Then I went to KFC.
What should I need?
What's this song about?
Actually, 2 seconds because that's all you can afford because time is money.